guys! Welcome back to our channel, Kardashian Adventures. And for today's video, ibibigyan namin kayo ng aming quick room tour dito sa Novotel Suites sa Ambassador Yongsan. Let's go! So this is our room. And we are staying in a junior suite room here at Novotel Yongsan. So, dito muna tayo sa area na to. Upon entering the room, ito yung makikita ninyo, which is the lagayan ng luggage natin and also the cabinet. Tapos, meron tayo ditong laundry area. Meron silang provided na washing machine and dryer in one. 2-in-1 na siya. So, pagka kailangan nyo maglaba, pwede dito gawin. And also, meron din sila ditong provided na laundry detergent. Tapos, meron na din sila shoe shine sponge. And of course, hindi mawawala ang shoehorn. Ayan. Over here is the cabinet. So, makikita niyo dito, pwede kayong mag-hanger ng mga clothes. Tapos, meron na din silang iron and ironing board. Tapos, may provided din sila na slippers here. And dito naman sa bandang loob, guys, we have a mini kitchen dito. So, ito meron siyang sink na pwede ka maghugas ng mga pinaggamitan ninyo. And provided din nila tong sponge and dishwashing liquid na gagamitin natin kapag kahugasan yung mga ginamit natin sa pagkain. And over here is the kitchen cabinet. Makikita nyo dito yung kettle, electric kettle, tapos yung lagayan ng ice. Sa kabila, empty space you can put your stocks dito. Dito naman sa part nito, they have a cabinet. Dan dito makikita yung mga glasses. May wine glasses, may glass na para sa water. Tapos meron sila ditong wine opener. And also yung microwave. Yung most of the hotels na ni-stayan natin, walang microwave. So, it's a big plus na meron nito kasi pagka tinatamad na tayong kumain sa restaurant, pwede tayong mag-take out o kaya pwede din tayong bumili lang sa convenience store. Pwede natin initin dito. And then, ito yung mini fridge nila. Paano bubuksan yun? Kaya lang walang laman, water lang, dalawa lang na water. And very spacious din yung countertop nila dito. So, pwede kayo dito mag-dine in. Pwede din kayong mag-work kasi may provided na sila dito na chair. Tapos, ito naman is the coffee and tea making. So, meron silang Nespresso machine dito. Meron din silang mga capsule, syempre na provided. Ayan. And meron din sila nung tea, jasmine tea. Ayan. Pwede kayo magtimpla dyan. Under the countertop is the cabinet, pero wala siyang laman. Ayan, Pero you can put, other things kapag may stocks kayo na binili. Kung matagal naman yung stay nyo, pwede kayong maglagay dyan. Ayan. And this is the letter na nagwe-welcome sa amin dito sa aming stay. And then nakasulat yung aking pangalan ng Dear Miss Hekel Enriquez, welcome to Novotel Suites Ambassador Seoul Yongsan. Ayan. And kasama nito is of course, their welcome gift sa amin. Ito yung laman. Tara! So, different sweets siya, mga chocolates, and macaroons. Dito naman tayo sa living area. Although maliit lang siya, provided na yung malaking TV. Tapos, may working desk na din. So, pwede ka ditong mag-work, maglagay ng laptop mo. And over here naman, this is a sofa. Pero sofa bed siya. So, you can convert it to a bed kapag kagabi na. Tapos, pag convert mo to sa bed, you just have to ask them, call the reception area or yung dial 0 lang daw. They will help us to set up the bed, itong sofa bed. Pero pag hindi mo pa siya ginagamit as bed, pwede ka din dito mag-work kasi meron din siyang mini table. Connected na sa living area yung aming bedroom. Kasi junior suite nga lang siya. So, eto yung sofa. So, pwede ka ditong magpahinga. And, this is our king size bed. Ayan, ang laki. So, kasya kami dito ng husband and kasama ko yung bunso namin dito sa king size bed. Dito naman guys sa bedside table, syempre meron ng telephone na pwede mong gamitin para kumontak sa reception o sa housekeeping. Tapos, take note, ito yung saksakan dito sa Korea. That's why it's very important na meron kayo nung international adapter. Pero dito sa Novotel, naglagay din sila ng additional na saksakan na ganito. Pero most of the stays namin sa mga hotels dito sa Korea, ganito siya. Kasi ito yung original. Dito naman sa kabilang bedside table, meron silang provided na speaker. So, pwede kayong magpatugtog or mag-sound trip. Bluetooth speaker yan. Ito, meron ding manual kung paano mo gagamitin. And, meron siya ditong USB na saksakan. Pwede kayong mag-charge dyan. And yung isa pang ang saksakan dito. So, kanina nakita natin doon sa bedside table yung telephone na merong malaking screen. It's a touch screen. Yun pala yung pwede nating pag-controlan ng ating in-room lighting. Tapos, over here naman is the control ng ating aircon and yung bathroom lights. Pasok naman tayo ngayon sa bathroom. Ito yung bathroom namin. So, ito yung makikita ninyo. This is the sink. Tapos, meron sila malaking mirror dito. Provided na din yung body cream or yung lotion. Meron na sila dito mga toiletries like shower caps, cotton pads and swab. Meron din silang sewing kit. Tapos, sa ilalim are the towels. And of course, the hair dryer. Tapos, meron din sila ditong weighing scale. Ayan. And this is the shower area naman, guys. Meron na ditong rain shower. Tapos, yung telephone shower. And provided na lahat ng toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash are all provided. Tapos, meron din sila ditong provided na bathrobe dito sa loob ng CR. And this is the toilet. So, ang toilet nila is also automatic. Meron din siyang mga pindutan katulad sa Japan. Yan. And ito naman yung view ng aming room for today. Dahil nakasa 32nd floor kami, you can see the skyline ng Seoul. Ayan, ang ganda, di ba? And napakalapit nga pala nitong hotel namin sa Yongsan Station. So, exit number 3 lang siya. Tapos, meron na siyang connection going to Novotel. Marang may bridge siya doon na lalakadan. And if you can see here sa labas, may malapit lang din na mall, which is the iPark Mall. And walking distance lang din to sa Yoido Park, doon sa may Han River. Kasi andun lang yung Han River. So, ngayon, pupunta kami sa Premier Lounge ng Novotel dito sa Yongsan. To-try namin kung ano yung mga food na ino-offer nila doon. Ito, the lounge is located at 40th floor. Pero yung elevator from Novotel Suites, we have to transfer to another elevator sa kabila. This is the Premier Lounge of Novotel Suites Ambassador in Yongsan. So, that's the reception area. Tapos, ito yung dining area nila. And then, they have several drinks here. May alcoholic drink kapag ka 5:30 until 7:30. Tapos, they have the different food choices. And, ang maganda dito, they have very nice view of Seoul. Ayan o. Kitang-kita dito yung Seoul. Ang traffic, ayun o. Yung kami galing sa traffic na yan kanina. There. And this is the different wines na sinaserve nila. So, you can get any of this. Ayan. Siyempre, may coffee din. May coffee machine din. And these are the food. Ayan, may mga pastries and then some, mga pika-pika meals lang. May salad din, ayan. Good morning guys! Nandito na kami ngayon sa breakfast buffet dito sa Novotel in Yongsan. So, I'll show you ano yung mga food choices dito. So, over here is the egg station. So, pwede kayo magpa-cook ng egg nyo dito. But there's also available eggs na din. And mac and cheese and hash brown. Meron din sila dito mga usual breakfast, yung bacon, sausages, may chicken, and vegetables over here. This is the noodle station naman. So you can have your noodles cooked here. They also have vegetable roll, tapos yung mga pastries dito. The bread station naman. So this is the heater ng bread. They have different jams. Tapos ito pa yung iba mga pastries nila that you can choose from. Fruits dito. May kiwi, pineapple, and oranges.
One of the amenities of this hotel is that they have an indoor pool. Pero required syempre na naka-swimming attire and also to wear a swimming cap. But you don't have to worry kung hindi kayo nakapagdala kasi they have a vending machine where you can buy one. In order for you to use this facility, kailangan nyo na mag-log in dun sa reception near the swimming pool area. And nagkahiwalay yung women and men's changing rooms. Lockers are also provided, so you can keep your things here, and your key is provided by the reception upon your registration. Meron na ding mga clean towels that you can use, pero small towels lang to. And then, you can already enjoy the swimming pool. Don't worry kasi heated yung jacuzzi tsaka yung pool, kaya kahit na cold season yung visit nyo sa Korea, you can still enjoy this amenity. Provided na rin lahat ng toiletries that you will use and even the hair dryer after that. And lastly, meron din sila ditong dryer ng mga damit, so you don't need to bring your wet clothes.
So, nandito naman kami ngayon sa building ng Ibis, which is just connected din naman sa Novotel. Kasi hanapin namin yung convenience store dito. So, sabi, second floor. Ayun, nice to see you na convenience store. Yan. So, yan. Connected lang siya sa hotel namin. So, very convenient kasi di na kami lalabas ng building. Makakabili na kami ng gusto namin. Ito yung see you dito. Uy, may kuromi. Ano bibili niya? Siyempre may mga drinks, tapos mga noodles, snacks. And may mga sausage. Yes, may mga cooked food na din dito na pwede nilang initin. May porridge, ayan, may mga eggs. So guys, this is Yongsan Station. So this is another main station dito sa Seoul. So you can also ride or board yung KTX and ITX train. Meron din dito mga reservation tickets for that. So pagka magpupunta kayo sa other regions or provinces ng Korea, pwede kayo dito ding mag-board. Ayan, ayan, may mga ITX, may KTX na dumadaan dito. And this station is also connected sa aming hotel. So, dito kayo sa exit na to, exit number 3. It will direct you to Seoul Dragon City. Kasi yung Seoul Dragon City, that is where yung Novotel Yongsan is located. So, ito yung nilalakadan namin. So, it's directly connected. Itong bridge na to. it will lead you to Novotel Seoul Yongsan. Ayan. Medyo konting lakad lang. Pero maganda kasi kahit umuulan, katulad ngayon, it's been raining since the morning. Hindi ka mababasa kasi direct na siya sa train.
Overall, we had a great stay here at Novotel Suites Yongsan. We highly recommend this hotel if you want to stay in a less crowded area, but still, malapit pa din siya sa train station. You can book this hotel through an Accor app if you're an Accor Plus member, but if not, we highly recommend that you book this hotel through Klook for a discounted rate, and don't forget to use my discount code KLOOKHECKLE to get additional 5% off. And ayun muna guys, I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us in our social media accounts, Bird Touching Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till next time!